To start with, I'll just give you a brief about Insteel. So we are into business information modeling, digital construction. We are into engineering, so shop drawings preparation for large projects. We also do construction, and we are also into building envelopes, like we do roofing, calci roofs and polycarbonate roofs. The project which is being showcased over here is Gandhinagar railway station, wherein we are associated with all the stakeholders in terms of architect with the beam. We are also doing connection design with Sterling Consultant, and we are also executing the calci roofing over here for the main contractor. So typically when we start any project, we start with designing, so we do it on StatPro. We do detailing using Tekla. We also do fabrication, we do erection. Of course, painting is also a part of process, and we also do roofing and facade. Now to also add, since we are into BIM, we do not limit ourselves to the modeling of any structure, but we integrate that model with the Primavera schedule, so that one can actually monitor sitting at his office what was planned and what is being executed at the site. Now these are some of our projects. As I told you, we are into exhibition centers, we do railway stations, we do convention centers, we do trellis, we also do small buildings, and we also do crown structures. Now I have been looking at most of the presentations, and those are all talking about high-rise buildings. I am here to tell you something different. We call ourselves architects, engineers. And why? Because I have been meeting various architects in Bangalore, and the common problem which has been faced by architects over here is availability of good fabricators. So just to tell you that this is one of our project which we completed before 2 years. It's Madina Airport entry gate structure. We started with detailing, and since we are being blamed, so I'll start with the challenges which a typical contractor faces. Now, this was an international project, and the main contractor was Arabian International Company. So the erection was to be done by them. It was only fabrication, painting, which was done by us. So coordination between our design team and the site team, and then getting site dimensions, everything was a bit difficult. The structure is totally formed out of steel plates, S355JR grade, 25 mm thick plates, and it was all reducing members. So starting at the base, it was around 900 mm, and then going to the top, it was reducing to 100 mm. Then all splice connections were planned because it was overseas project, so we have transported through containers of 12 meter sizes. 100% welding joints were to be tested in for UT, and considering all these things, entire fabrication of around 350 metric ton was to be carried in about 2 months. So that was quite a challenge. And another logistic challenge was also there. So key facts about the project: it is a entry gate structure. The height of the tip is around 70 meters, around 350 metric ton of steel being used, and our scope was detailing, fabrication, surface preparation, and transportation. The grade of material what we used is S355JR for the plates, and then YST310 for the tubular pipes. It was totally prefabricated in our factory at Navi Mumbai. And then we also did surface preparation, SA 2.5 standard copper grit blasting, followed by epoxy primer and PU painting. Then TPI was Indian Register of Companies. Being an international project, quality was of prime importance. And the advantage using Insteel was, since we were detailing also, so we know what kind of engineering goes into. And we managed to complete the structure in total 3 months, not 2 months. So 1 month was extended, but still the picture at the end was quite good. So that's it, and once again, thank you.